Hello dear, how are you? I hope that you would be good, fine and better. No harm will become to you, right? Okay, so last video we have learned about this and that, okay? For the near, this, far, for the that, okay? So now this and that, after that for the singular, okay? Now these are my decks, those are your decks. Now look at here, these sentences, these two sentences, now you understand that, okay? So what we are expressing in these sentences, in these sentences, look at here, when from, if you have one thing, you use this is my bag, it means that it is only one thing. When the things are more than one, okay, so we say, now we use these for this, okay? These are my bags. So what will become? This and these for the near. अगर करीब कोई चीज़ हो, what will be the near things, nearer than you? So you use these are my bags. These are whose bags? My bags. Okay, these are my bags. ये मेरे बस्ते हैं या मेरे थैला है, ठीक है, जो भी है, ठीक है. Now those are, those which is not near, those are the far away from you. So those are your bags. Those are your bags. तो वो तुम्हारे थैले हैं, your bags, okay? तो वो your belongings, these are my belongings, or those are your belongings, okay? So these are my bags, those are your bags. So this is the concept from singular to plural. And how can you make the singular and from the plural? So that is the matter, okay? Now I am making you little bit to make you understand. You have, look at here. Now a book means एक किताब, okay? Two books, दो किताबें, right? A book, okay? The consonant, how many consonants are there? There are vowels, there are the first, because consonants are the 21. How many consonants are there? Total, if we count total alphabet of the English, there are the 26. How many? 26. Okay? From 5 are the vowels. Then how many remain? 21. But here, this is the one, no? That is the, you know what is the one? That is Y is the one. So Y is, it will become into two sense. Now, half is Y vowel and half is Y consonant. How? Now we prove it, that how it is vowel and how it is consonant, right? Achha, now you understand that there are the 25, okay, the vowels. Now look at here, because end of the when you make the singular from the singular to plural, okay? Now the book, after book there is a, now brush. So brush, there is a asset. So what will become in the asset? There will become es. When we make it plural, so there will become brushes. Right? Es will become. With sh, es will become. Right? There is the es to make the plural. Meaning a brush, एक brush, two brushes. Right? Now, look. When end of any, like watch, okay? Watch. WTCH. Now here is the CH. Okay, CH S or double S or O or so the end of these things, so end of the when किसी भी word के after the end there will be CH, SH, okay, S, double S, O. So here end will be ES. The plural will be ES will become, okay, okay, CH, S, double S and O. So there will become ES with SH, ES, okay, and other all of the consonant there will be only S, like Y. There will be S because here is the Y is the like a consonant, okay. Now so after consonant there will be S. So how many there are the consonant? 21 consonant, okay. Now the main points, how there is the how we can understand that Y is consonant or vowel. So I am making you understand. Stay with me. Now look at here. One thing is play. The word is play. Okay. What is this? Is a word or play? Play is a verb. Okay. Play. Now look at here. Before Y. Before Y there is what? There is a A. What is before Y? There is a A. So it means A is what? A is vowel. A is vowel. And Y is what? Y is consonant. Because two vowels. There before Y, if there will be A, vowel will come. So that will be Y. So Y will be count as consonant. Understand? Now the word is try. 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 The word is try. Okay? Now look at here. Before Y, what is here? There is a R. So what is the R? R is consonant. And then if because R is consonant, T is consonant. Okay? They both are consonant, right? So before Y there has come the R and the sound is like there is the sound was the play. Play, play. Okay? So here is the sound is I. So Y will be changed into I. Okay? Try. 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 So T is the consonant. R is consonant. Before consonant there is the Y. After consonant there is a Y. And before Y there is a consonant. So then Y will be changed into vowel. Okay? So the sound is I. Okay? Now I, and with I here will become ES. So it will be tries. Try. I tries. Okay? She tries. He tries. So TRIES, try. So these are the rules. If you understand these rules very perfectly, you never forget whole your life, whether you are in beginning class or whether you are in degree classes. You never forget these rules. If you follow these rules and listen carefully my videos, okay, and then practice you do, you never get any difficulty. God bless you. I am giving you some different thing, okay? So I hope that you will stay with me.